Okay, student, this is the question. Function is
Why
x.
you guys are going there?
This is the function y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 5. This is the function, and what we have to do, we have to find coordinate of the turning point. So to find the coordinate turning point mean, what does turning point? Turning point mean a point at which the tangent is horizontal. When the tangent is horizontal, the gradient of that tangent line will be 0. And we know that dy over dx, it is basically the slope of the tangent line. This derivative is basically, it is the slope of tangent line.
Sir, could you show this question again? Sir, when tangent is horizontal, right?
Yeah, let me tell you, yes, Iman, what is derivative? Derivative is basically, it is the gradient, slope or gradient of the tangent line. You understand this point?
Yes, sir.
So the derivative is the gradient of the tangent line, and we know that at any turning point, and student, we know that at any turning point, the tangent is horizontal. टर्निंग पॉइंट के ऊपर टेंजेंट हॉरिजॉन्टल होता है, और हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन का जो ग्रेडियंट है वो 0 होता है.
सर, आप इज इक्वल टू 0 कर देंगे, ये आप कह रहे हैं.
I told you कि derivative dy over dx is basically the gradient of the tangent line, and we know that tangent line is horizontal at the turning points. So it is horizontal. So it's mean to find the gradient of horizontal line, which is the turning point, we put derivative is equal to 0. First we have to find derivative. So dy over dx, so it is 2x. The power will come down and subtract 1 from the power. This is the derivative. So now because this is, we have to find the turning point, so we put derivative equal to 0. This is the linear equation, and the answer is 3 over 2. So this is the x coordinate of the turning point. So we have to find y coordinate of the turning point. What we will do, we will put this x in the original function. So the y coordinate will be 3 over 2 square minus 3 over 2 minus 5. So please let me know what is the answer. Can you check from the calculator? So it is minus 7.25. So the turning point, so the coordinate of the turning point is 3 over 2 comma minus.
आंसर आया है minus 7.25 या minus 29 over 4.
Okay, so this is the coordinate of the turning point. So I hope you understand how to find turning point, huh? And we have discussed that turning point, turning points are also called stationary point. I have seen some question in the past paper, examiner is asking us to find the coordinates of the stationary point. So this is the same criteria for stationary point. Stationary point, turning point and stationary points are same. I hope now you understand turning point and stationary point. We have to find what is the nature of the turning point. Nature of the turning point, whether the turning point is maximum or minimum. Student, we know that to find the nature of the turning point, we will take second derivative. So let's take the second derivative of this. We write second derivative like this: d square y over dx square. The second derivative will be 2, and this is positive. Second derivative is positive. When second derivative is positive, it means this turning point is minimum point. This turning point is minimum point. So this is how we can find the nature of the turning point. So just finding the second derivative. If second derivative is positive, the turning point is minimum. If the second derivative is negative, the turning point will be maximum. Question? 7 question.
F of x is equal to 4 minus 2x minus x cubed. Show that the graph of y is equal to f of x has no turning points. So if पिछला दिखा दे वो screenshot.
If you observe this graph, this one, so we have two turning points. This is the turning point 1, and this A, it is maximum point, and this is the second turning point, let me call B, and this turning point is minimum point. Okay, let me show you one more graph. Okay, here we have, this is the turning point. Okay, student, but this turning point is neither maximum nor minimum. This is neither maximum and nor minimum. So this is the case. If in this graph, this is the turning point, but this turning point is neither maximum and nor minimum. This is how we can find a point which is neither maximum nor minimum from the graph. But how to find such type of point without graph using differentiation? So let me show you the working of that case. 4 minus 2 and minus x square. Minus x square, this is the function, and we have to see, first we have to find turning point. So for turning point we have to differentiate. So f dash of x, and the constant, the derivative of constant is 0, and this is 2, and this is minus 2x. So this is the derivative. Let me simplify. It is minus 2 minus 2x. So this is the derivative. Okay, to find the turning point I have to put this equal to 0. So it is minus 2 minus 2x, and let me solve this. So 2x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 over 2, so x is equal to minus 1. So this is the x coordinate of the turning point. Okay, now we have found the turning point. Now let's check the nature of this turning point. This turning point is it is either maximum or minimum, or it is neither maximum or nor minimum. So let's check that. So to find the nature of the derivative, we have to take the second derivative, and this is the first derivative. Let me take the second derivative. So the second derivative is f double dash x. F double dash x means it is second derivative. So it is constant. The derivative is constant 0. It is minus.
Sir, question में x power cube था या square था?
And this will be 0 minus 2. So it is minus 2. G in function. Sorry, this was x cube here. So let me x cube. So it will become 3x square. So it is minus 2, and it will be 3x square. So it is 3x square. So 3.
Sir, 3x square क्यों होगा? उसके साथ तो 2 नहीं है.
It is x square 2 over 3, and then we take the square roots. Okay? So let me take the square. This is not the answer. So let me take the square root on both sides. Okay, student, can you observe here? We took the square root of both sides. So it is negative. It is negative 2 over 3. And square root of negative number is math error. This will give us math error. Math error mean undefined. So when देखिए in this case when we get math error we say that this function does not it means that this graph does not have any turning point. There is no turning point in this graph. So it shows there is no turning point. So when you get math, when there is math error, it means there is no turning point. When there is no turning point, there is no need to find second derivative, because when there is no turning point, why we should find the nature of the turning point? So there is no turning point, so there is no need to find whether turning point is maximum, minimum, or what. So no turning point, so we will stop over here. No need to find second derivative. So you can observe the graph of this function. There is no turning point, no? There is no bend in this. It looks there is bend, but there is no bend. So there is no turning point. Can you observe the graph on my screen? जी बच्चों, can you observe?
Yes, sir.
There is no turning. There is just little bit bend, but there is no clear-cut turning point. So that's why, and we have just observed from the differentiation that there is no turning point clear.